Earn $1.20 per Google watched. Imagine getting paid just for watching ads. Yes, you heard that right. In today's video, I'll show you how to earn up to $1.20 for every ad you watch on Google. No skills, no upfront cost, and anyone can do it. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Prince Sam Official for more ideas to make and save money every day. Let's get started. Section 1. What is Swash Ads? Swash Ads is a platform that pays you for your attention. You watch ads through a browser extension, and the company shares a portion of the ad revenue with you. Simple, right? 1. Legitimacy. Swash is a trusted platform with a growing user base. 2. Earnings potential. You can earn up to $1.20 per ad. 3. No experience needed. All you need is a browser and internet connection. Section 2. Setting up your Swash account. Step-by-step guide. 1. Sign up. Go to the Swash website. Click on Sign Up and create a free account. Use a valid email and password. 2. Install browser extension. Download the Swash Ads extension for Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. 3. Activate your account. Log into your Swash account. Link the extension to your account. Enable permissions to display ads while you browse. Tip: make sure you verify your email to start earning right away. Section 3. Watching ads and earning. How it works. 1. Ad integration. Ads will pop up while you browse Google or other supported sites. 2. Earnings breakdown. Each ad you watch earns you credits, which are converted into cash at a rate of up to $1.20 per ad. 3. Withdrawal options. Once you hit the minimum payout threshold, you can withdraw via PayPal, bank transfer, or cryptocurrency. Pro tips for maximizing earnings. Watch longer ads for higher payouts. Use multiple devices to increase ad exposure, if allowed. Refer friends to earn bonuses. Section 4. Bonus tips for higher income. Creative ideas. 1. Batch ads watching. Dedicate a specific time each day to watch ads. 2. Referrals. Share your referral link on social media or with friends and family. 3. Combine tasks. Use Swash while performing other online activities to save time. Want to double your income? Check out the referral section in your Swash dashboard and start inviting today. To summarize, Swash Ads is an excellent way to make money online. By simply signing up, watching ads, and inviting others, you can earn a steady side income. Remember, every small effort counts toward building your financial freedom. Comment below if you've tried Swash Ads or if you know other platforms like this. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Prince Sam Official for more wealth building tips, and share this video with friends who'd love to earn extra cash. And as always, Prince Sam Official loves you all. See you in the next video.